This week, the guys from Twin City Powder Coating came into town to see if dustless blasting could be a viable solution for their business. While touring our facility, they explained that they run a huge powder coating outfit and had some unique challenges.
Some sandblast outfits don't like to blast powder off. It's just time consuming. We're trying to find a piece of equipment that will blast powder off efficiently for us.
Before flying in from Minnesota, they shipped us a plow coated with 10 layers of powder coating, which they estimated to be 20 to 30 mils thick. They also had some smaller parts coated with 2 or 3 layers of powder coating. They said it would be extremely difficult for a regular sandblaster to remove, and most sandblasters would refuse to even try. This is a really tough coating.
I didn't really want that.
It's not even chipping this off.
This one here was painted half.
Very durable.
We used our DB500 with a 185 CFM compressor and used garnet as our abrasive. After showing them how to use the machine, Benny turned them loose on it. Many people who purchase our dustless blasting machines are doing so to run their own mobile businesses. Powder coating shops are awesome customers because they often need to remove powder coating if a mistake has been made during the first application and it needs to be reapplied. Most of them don't have the equipment to remove it, so they end up getting overcharged for removal. This creates a great opportunity for dustless blaster owners. Call up companies in your area who offer powder coating and show them what you can do.
That's impressive.
It's definitely taking it off easier than normal blasting.
This is the piece that has 10 layers of powder coating on it, which is an absolute worst-case scenario test. The reason most blast machines couldn't do this is because they generate so much friction and heat that the powder coating melts and becomes pliable, rather than just disintegrating. With the dustless blasting system, the water prevents friction and actually lowers the temperature of the blast surface by about 10 degrees. So instead of melting the coating, it simply removes it.
If we took this to our sandblast guy, he'd tell us to leave with it because he's heating it up so much it starts to melt. So as he's blasting, he'd be melting the powder off. Where that's actually taking it off.
They also wanted to test our system on this thin aluminum railing. Typically, thin metal suffers from warping when subjected to the friction and heat of dry blasting. But with the dustless blaster, the powder coating was removed quickly with no warping. Thousands of people all over the world have found out that dustless blasting is the perfect solution for their coating removal problems, and we were happy to be a solution for Twin City Powder Coating as well.
Well, a lot of times if we do make a mistake on something, that's exactly what we do. We go have it burnt off, and then we blast it, re-blast it. They can burn it off at 1,500 degrees. So now, we solved our problem.
We sent some parts down here that we powder coated just to put the machine to the test, and it worked awesome. It did exactly what you guys said it would do. It took the powder coat right off, and we gave it the best test we could give it. Now I'm a customer, buying one.